What is this? Maureen, what is this?
This is our little story and a true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual win. Keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I'll just set you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. I just dropped the boys to school and I figured while I'm sitting here about to like take my vitamins, I just had a little breakfast, that I would give you guys a little bit of a morning update. This should probably be on my other channel when I make it. When am I gonna do that? I'm gonna figure it out. But I take the Natel prenatals. This is the one that I took with the boys before. I just think you just gotta get in whatever you can with it. These are actually prescription, which is annoying. I don't know why it's like that, but it is. But I've taken other prenatals too. But this one seems to be the one that I can, or very early on I was able to kind of keep down. But I also have to start my iron as well. I'm anemic. I've been anemic since I was a kid. And obviously this does have iron in there, but I need more. So I'm going to be adding iron to my routine. For any of you who have taken what is the name again, prenatals before, they're massive, as you can see. Like, don't mind my nails. So this morning we discovered that Atlas's shoes are getting small, Jackson's shoes are getting small, Ozzy's shoes are getting small. So how does it normally work? I haven't really had to buy any shoes for Atlas because Jackson tends to pass down shoes to Atlas. The only shoes I have seemed to be able to pass down from Jackson all the way to Oz are Crocs, but not regular shoes because they wear them out so much. So I'm gonna try and get shoes for all of them today. Be honest with you guys, I don't spend a lot of money on shoes, except for like a pair of Crocs or like, you know, a good pair of sneakers every now and again, but they grow to them so fast that honestly, I just buy what I can get my hands on, really. And that can, they're gonna mash it up. I'm not in the game of like, yo, this must last you for however long, because they're boys and they're playing and they're kicking balls and all kinds of stuff. So the same goes for clothes. Like, I've been able to hand down clothes, and I have a really dear friend of mine, Lee, who you guys have met. Her son is a little older than Atlas, so she hands down all of his clothes to Atlas. And even some of those clothes get passed down to Oz. But Oz is in need now of 3T clothing, even though he's 2. So I'm gonna try and get a couple stuff for him today because he's kind of out. He's growing very rapidly. So yeah, I'm gonna try and do that today. Just some interesting tidbits. I don't know how you guys manage with all of that stuff, like how you do your shoe thing, your clothes thing, whatever it is. So yeah, everybody went off okay today and hoping for a good day.
All right, guys, we're up and running, heading out on the road right now to go and run some errands and do a little shopping for the kids. What else is there on the agenda for today, Tami?
Right now, donuts.
Donuts? Really?
Yeah, I need donuts.
Anything for you guys?
No, I really like, I don't think you understand how much I need donuts. Like, I need. Look how much I've grown. Hold on, where can we go? Where can I stand up and show empty this belly? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Donuts?
She deserve it, people. She deserve it. Anything you want to say, man?
We don't have much time.
You're looking good, though. I'm not telling a lie. You're close.
Thanks. I have to pick up Zaya today, so I have to put in the booster seat for Ozzy Boozy.
Okay, got it.
No lie, whenever I do these things, I feel like a speed demon. I move so fast through there. We literally had 45 minutes to do it, and I was just like, did it. We booked up Debbie Bisoon While we're getting shoes, we should have filmed some of that.
I know.
Debbie's so sweet. So nice to see her. I'm breathing heavy because we literally went so fast. And now we're going for Zaya and Ozzy, which is nice. So Tessie asked me to pick up Zaya today. Tessie normally does pickups for us, so it's nice. We did it yesterday for Zaya and also for today. Another thing that Wayne and I have been talking about recently is the kitchen. We got a call from our contractor like last week, and he was like, so what's happening, guys, with the kitchen? And now we have this, you know, very serious timeline to get this done, obviously. And I, you know, Wayne and I were talking, and I was saying to him, you know, if we don't do it before she comes, we just know it's gonna be a long time before we get it done, for the simple fact that it's not gonna be as simple for us to move or function, I should say, with a baby in the house, a 1-year-old. You get what I'm saying? We'd have to wait until she got to 2 before we could do that big something there. So there, it feels very like we have to make a decision about this kitchen, and I don't think the kitchen is going to survive 2 more years. That's the truth. So that's our next big decision, you know. Do we have the time, budget, everything to be moving with this right now? God of mercy, don't it?
Well, we have to have a meeting. We'll have a meeting
Today, yeah.
today with the contractor, and then now we can iron out the details, crunch the numbers, timeline, budget-wise.
I'm more scared of the timeline than anything.
We can create a reality around it and make an informed decision. But oh God, the kitchen will last. Trust
No,
me.
it won't. You
Trust
don't use
me,
the kitchen
it
like me, so you don't see all of the bits and bobs that are, you know, it can't last another 2 years, trust me. I don't think I can survive 2 more years in that kitchen, believe me. Anyway, we're here for the babas, so let's go. You guys had a good day?
No.
No! How comes? Zaya, did you have a good day? Was it a good day? Yeah, okay, good. Ozzy, what did you learn about today?
Auntie Jody.
Auntie Jody.
Beep, beep, beep.
Beep, beep. What goes beep, beep?
Beep, beep.
The car goes beep, beep.
Beep.
He has this little British accent right now that is just hilarious. Like, listen to this. Oz, say water.
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 Atlas is...
I go in playground, Mom.
That's the playground. That's right.
Mom, I go in slide down.
Slide down the slide.
I slide down, slide.
Do you go on the swings?
Yes.
Wow.
Mom, that's a car, Mom.
That's right. You're not doing it right.
He must send me a reminder.
Beep.
Most Jamaicans don't know how to use a 4-way. My husband, top of that list.
It's not that I don't know. You know, see the man did a linga. When I got this thing and wait for 5 minutes.
He is right away.
I know that, but he was sitting down. I wasn't moving. So what you want me to do?
We were this close to accident a while ago, people.
You must be this close to accident.
I'm just telling you.
You know, me never this close to no accident.
This close.
You see my cargo when me have a carry right now? No accident, no anything. Precious cargo on board.
A while ago when we were in the store, Wayne was like, "Whoa, there's a lot more stuff out there for girls, huh?" Because like everything was so limited for boys. It's something I complain about all the time. It's always just, you know, the polo shirt, the cargo shorts, even the colors are so limited.
The girls them have a portion of thing, pink, purple, this, that, writing on it.
And girls get to wear things like blue and
No.
green, but you know, colors that they've decided are just for boys, you know, it's a sin.
It just goes to show you how early women are conditioned to be the the shoppers. And they're targeted as the shoppers.
What?
The variety
What
is so
you just
much
asked for,
more.
Ozzy? No, Ozzy. Remember? There's no more.
Pepper bite up the whole of them. They're gone.
I forgot to give you guys an update, but it's been about a week that he's been off of his. Don't want to even say it. And what I did for any moms out there is what I've done with the now 3 boys. One day, I always do it when they're like 2.5. I just take it away. So with Jackson, I told him that the garbage man took it. And with Atlas, I told him the garbage man took it. But for us, oh no, Pepper ate them. And they are, that's the first time I've heard him ask for it. This close to accident a while ago. I heard him ask for it the first time just now. He's been doing so good. It was a reminder that children are so adaptable. So adaptable. So yeah, our boy is doing good. He broke his addiction. Wee! I'm happy for you, Oz. These are rings, yeah. I love to come home and show MoMo, oh my gosh. I know. I saw. Down again. Set the trend.
Listen, I feel like a MoMo baby. I feel like a MoMo baby. Honestly, my ball, you know, I cry. I cry when I see MoMo jump. I said, no, man, I'm MoMo child. It has to be MoMo's child.
Yeah.
But I am happy it is a girl. It's a tripod, come on.
Listen to me about
Where's your?
Tami, you have to tell the man congrats, the man win the Prime Minister Youth Award for New Media.
We're looking at the most recent recipient of the
Right. Recent and first.
Recent and first.
Right.
New Media.
New media. Not the last,
Yes.
right?
Oh, they're so
and I'm happy,
different.
and I'm happy I'm not the last, and I'm happy that myself and you guys are out here, you know, charting the course, making the way for, you know, upcoming people who are out there doing their thing. So big up everybody in New Media right now.
That is
right.
it. Yeah. That is it.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye guys.
Big up. Time to get our donut, them. So I say, just wake up with the urge, with the
Somebody
craving.
said donut to me and that was it. Somebody said to me, donut.
As easy as that.
And I was like, oh, donuts. Yeah, that's easy as that.
So it was a special kind of donut where you did want, or what?
Yes, these are specific. So
Okay.
this supermarket, I used to go to the one down by Havendale because it's the same supermarket. So when I used to live down at Havendale, I used to go and get these donuts all the time. To me, they're the best glazed donuts, but now they're a little closer because they're on Compton Spring.
Okay.
So oh God, I have to eat one. Nobody behind us.
So you're feeling good about this then?
Yes. Would you like
So
one?
baby girl feeling good about this then?
Yes. And then I used to because I used to eat so many of them, I used to challenge myself and the things like, oh, can you eat it without licking your lips? I have to lick my lip.
It's just weird, bro.
Okay.
Like, yeah, enjoy.
I wish I had come a little earlier. But I hit the spot.
That drama, you know. And I'm nothing to do.
I don't want nobody feel like I me wanna eat donuts, you know. Lunch is happening, people. What you feel like?
So I'm not hungry too. Remember you eat before you leave the house, you know.
Share the
Tami?
fries. At least share the fries.
You could have told me say you want fries, you know.
One nugget.
Huh?
One nugget.
You're lucky you have baby girl with you.
Why or else what? You wouldn't share with me?
It would have dick a bit harder.
Little, but that's a biggie box.
Yo.
I'm sorry. Cutest thing
thing I've ever seen. Is my friend dropping this off? Oh, it's Leah. It's Auntie Leah. I'm dying. No, look at this one with the flowers, man. What is life?
Oh my doodle. Oh my.
No, but look at this. It have a headband.
Yes, to go with it.
These are socks. You know what they look like? Little shoes.
It's a whole new world.
No, this is killing me, Maureen. This one is killing me. This is so cute. Yes. Our first little gift for the mama. Thank you.
Can I come tell you something?
What?
Tomorrow I made it to the Bebras Challenge finals. So I'm going to be competing against other people in Jamaica.
And for that, you deserve a big, huge, super congratulations. So Jackson was selected to go on a special.
Yeah, it's like a challenge.
A special team was selected from his school to represent them at the finals of the house.
The Bebras Challenge.
The Bebras says like coding and bright picnic things. So I want to say big up to my bright little picnic doing great things. And big up to Halls of Learning as well for facilitating these kids and showing them new avenues of learning, you know, and kind of pioneering that space. It's a good look.
Oh wait. Thank you Uncle Nile and thank you Auntie Antonia.
Those are his teachers.
Nice.
Oh my God! Look at this.
Nice.
Hold on a second.
These colors never bought in our house
Oh
yet.
my goodness! Look at
And
this.
look at the blanket!
I know. Okay, so let me tell you a story. Auntie Leanne, when Atlas was born, gave him a blanket. Lo and behold, Ozzy can't even sleep without the blanket.
Yeah.
He loves that blanket. He's always like, "Mommy, wear blanket." And I said, "I know. Don't worry, Mom. I get it." And look what she got for this baby. Another blanket. It's so soft.
Mommy, he always comes over to your room like that.
Yeah. No, but look at this. What's his life? What is this? What is this? What is this? Maureen, what is this?
No, this is too much.
No, Momo, what is this?
Jesus.
No, I can't. And then look what she got me too. She got a keepsake journal of first favorites, and oh my God, and look at this, a little baby planner. I can't manage. You call her right now.
What my eye, people?
What is all of this?
It's serious. It's real.
I can't manage. I'm done. Another gift. Look what this is now. I know who this is. Oh my word.
What is that?
It's a candy craze candy thing. Oh my God. It opens and then look here. It has all of my favorites. Look, the nerds and the nerds clusters.
Mommy, give
and
me
the
some.
gummies.
Mommy, give me some.
No, this is going on Mommy's nightside table, and that's
How them know your favorite?
because they know I'm going there all the time.
Mommy.
Thank you,
Mommy,
guys.
Watch a big long line.
You can have another donut.
But I want some of this.
The baby just moved.
Can I have some of this?
No, Nino, no.
Well, it's nice to
There's a
share.
card. No, I feel a type of way. Here, Jackson to me a while ago. Auntie Leanne knows what's up. Lee, I love the clothes and the shoes. The sock shoes kill me. I know, yeah.
People, me the long overdue a haircut. From before me get COVID and before Atlas got COVID, me not trim. So the whole of them weeks there and all these things. Not like a haircut for make a man feel young and fresh again and ready for the world. Talk the truth, people. Me clean up, go down. Just talk the truth that God love me.